Bonjour. I'm not going to lie, the budget is not the most pleasant part for a general manager and his team. But it is obligatory and is repeated every year. Generally, we start it around July-August and finish it in November-December. In this chapter, we will see the entire process of creating a budget and its presentation. I will therefore break down the budget chapter in two different sections. Guidelines, top lines rooms, sales and marketing plan, top lines food and beverage and others, expenses rooms, expenses food and beverage and minor operating department, expenses administration and general, expenses sales and marketing, expenses POMEC, budget presentation, executive summary next year, SWOT, segmentation and financial outlook next year, flow summary, hotel scorecard, competition outlook, occupancy expenses, the CAPEX, cash flow presentation, 5 years performance, disagreement with owner, and conclusion and my personal thought. As you can see, this topic is going to keep us busy for a while. The next video will therefore be on the guidelines.